Apple introduced Freeform app with macOS Ventura 13.1 and iOS 16.2. It is basically a digital white canvas board for creating brainstorming and collaboration. To use this, update your Mac or iOS to latest version and open Freeform app. Create a new board where you can import almost anything like photos, videos, music, shapes, text, signature, handwriting, and lots more. Let's start with text. Click here to insert a text box, then enter text. You can change size, color, alignment from here. To apply more change, click more icon, show color and show font. Show color for color change and font for font change, and drag to move location. Click save button to add shape. Change size and fill inspector button to fill shape color. Control click or right click to send it back. You can search shapes from here and scroll through the shapes library. If you are using iOS device, you can use pen tool to draw your own shape or signature. From Mac, you can also create a new shape. Select multiple shapes and go to format, then shapes and line. From here you can and subtract. You can edit more by selecting make editable. Then make changes using those dots. And also you can control the opacity. Here you can duplicate shape by holding Alt and Option key and dragging shapes. Here yellow arrow indicate about the gap between those shapes and like this for alignment. Also we can make connection between two shapes. If we click the connection line, so we can change the connection and style. The import picture or videos, click insert media button, then select photos and videos from photos library. Also import image, videos and other files from here. To rotate image, press Ctrl key, then move your mouse pointer into edges and rotate when you see this arrow. We can also make image mask with the shapes, like add a shapes over the image, then select image and shapes, format an image with mask, then image mask with selection. Click here to add sticky notes. You can change the size, colors from here, and to customize text format, go to format from here, then font and show font, then change the font. It can be rotated by pressing command and rotate from here. That's all. Hope this video is help you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.